It's Saturday. Let's see. It's today, Saturday, June 19th, 2021 at 3:26 a.m. and I have like no comfort, no support, and just wow. It's look how and this hurricane. I needed a hotel tonight. Wow, but at the same time, they tell me I gotta go to work at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, damn. No way. I don't know if they might cancel work. And that's a perp right there, a gang stalker with funny headlights, and that's Lucky Cab. Look at this. All my stuff getting wet. Everything getting wet. All my everything getting wet.